I have this REPL here, and in this REPL I have this main.py file, which is empty, and this video.mp4 file. If you click that, REPL should normally be able to play it if you click here. So this is a 3-second long video. It's just a sample video. It doesn't have audio, and we don't need the audio. Now, video processing could involve different activities, such as you could extract frames, so to take individual images out of that video, you could resize the video, etc. And for each of these processing activities, you first need to know some basic information about the video. For example, if you want to resize the video from 180 pixels, you want to first know the resolution, so you want to get the information that this video is actually 180 pixels. So in this lecture we're going to extract via Python the resolution of the video, in other words the width, so the number of pixels horizontally, and the height, the number of pixels vertically. That's the resolution. We're also going to extract the number of frames, the total number of frames, because a video basically is just a bunch of images which the video player is stacking on top of each other, and it just shows one image after the other very quickly. And we see that as a video. And each video has a number of images. And also a video has frames per second, which is also related to the number of frames. So if this video is 3 seconds and the video has 90 images, 90 frames in total, that means this video has 30 frames per second. So let's see how we can load this video in OpenCV and then print out those pieces of information. So video would be a variable cv2.videoCapture. Video capture is the class which expects as argument either the webcam source if we were using the webcam, but that's not the case here. The webcam, you could define it either by 0 if you want the main webcam of your computer, or 1 if you want the secondary webcam, depending on how many webcams you have. So 0 or 1 for webcam. For video files, you do video.mp4, the path to your file. And then you could get different parameters from your video, such as cv2.cap prop frame width. So that's a property of cv2, and if you supply this property to the get method, and the get method points to the video object, that entire thing will give you the width. So let's test it. Print width. And that's the output. So the width of this video is 1920. So I would like to add something here, an int, since later on this number we're going to need it as an integer. And similarly, you can get the height, video.get cv2.cap prop frame height. Then the number of frames, you can get it with video.get cv2.cap prop frame count. And lastly, FPS, which stands for frames per second, is video.get cv2.cap prop FPS. And let's print all of them out here. Height, number of frames, and FPS. Run. Height, oh, I have a typo. And that's the result. So the width, the height, which also makes the resolution of the video, that's the resolution of the video. 90 frames in total make up that video, 30 frames per second. So the video is 3 seconds in total. 30 times 3 makes 90. So now that we have these 4 pieces of information, we can go ahead and perform other actions. Specifically, in the next video, we're going to get all the frames, all the 90 frames of the video, and save each of them as a JPEG image file. So see you there.